From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Tuesday morning, and thank you for joining us here at Campus Weather Service. I am student meteorologist Zach Petey, and we're going to start our forecast off looking at the big picture across the Penn State University Park campus. We're noticing fog is present for a greater portion of our campus. We're finally now being able to see Beaver Stadium off into the distance, but we still can't see the greens here at the golf course. We have that dense layer of fog overhead that's present right now, and looking at the temperatures, we're sitting here at State College at 28 degrees, but zooming into the statewide view, we're sitting at cooler temperatures as we look off into the northeast. We have northwest, we have Du Bois sitting at our cool spot at 27 degrees, but down into the southeast portion of Philadelphia, we're sitting at 40 degrees for our warm spot. And now looking at the feel-like temperatures, which encompasses the wind chill factor, because if we have high wind speeds, that means the wind chill is going to be rather low, and that's going to be what we would be feeling like if we're walking outside. We're not seeing any wind chill factors here for State College, so definitely a good thing to start our morning off, especially since it was quite dreary from the fog. The visible satellite for us here in State College and across much of the state, we have some clearing off into the mountains, but then overhead here currently we have clouds overhead, so that's setting ourselves up for a dreary day, but there's not going to be any precipitation for us here. But as we begin to trek our way into the big picture in the northeast, we have a low pressure system that's working its way off the coast of Halifax, and it's bringing in the chance of snow and rain showers for them up in the northeast. But here in our neck of the woods, walking ourselves through the next few days for us, we're going to begin to notice that clouds are going to work its way into the area, and it's going to be one of those rinse and repeat forecasts. We're going to start our mornings off with clouds. There's going to be some clearing in the afternoon hours, but then as we get into the evening hours, we're going to have clouds build their way back in. And we can see that as we zoom in for us here in Happy Valley and across the state of Pennsylvania, we have clouds beginning to work its way into the area, but we have the chance for showers and snow up into the northwest portion of the state, Here in Erie, we have the chance of rain and snow showers overhead, but then again, like I said, we have our day starting to build its way in with clouds, and then as we get into the lunchtime hours, we have clouds build out, and then as we begin to trek our way back home for dinner time, 6 p.m., on Wednesday, we have clouds starting to build their way back in, and it's going to be the same sort of thing over the next few days for us here in State College. Setting up for a high today of 43 degrees, mostly overcast skies today. There might be some chances of some sun peeking its way through for us around the lunchtime hour, so something to look forward to. Setting us up for a low tonight of 31 degrees. Going to be overcast skies again. It's going to be calm winds, so there's the chance of fog present for us for the early morning hours tomorrow as well. High tomorrow of 45 degrees again. Winds light and variable from the west. Definitely going to be the chance for fog present for the early morning commute. But then again, we're going to have clouds building their way out for the lunchtime hour. So again, still could be something to brighten us up our day for us on Wednesday. And looking into the 7-day forecast, we have the overcast skies and some fog present over the next few days. The next chance of rain is going to be returning for Thursday and Friday. And then as we look into the weekend where everyone's going to be starting to trek their way home for the Thanksgiving break time, it's going to be good weather to travel, especially once we get into Saturday and Sunday. We have clearing skies and the sun returning. Cooler temperatures though over the next few days, but as we look into Monday of next week, clouds are clearing out and again cooler temperatures. I want to thank you for joining us at the Campus Weather Service, and once again, I'm student meteorologist Zach Petty, and have a great Tuesday.